what's up guys? Now we are heading to धनुषकोडी। आज हमारा राइड का फाइनल दिन है। हम लोग पहुँचे थे धनुषकोडी लास्ट नाइट और आज नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग it's 8:33 on the clock and we are heading towards Dhanushkodi.
Dhanushkodi is about 18-20 kilometers from here and it's straight.
Finally,
we have at the front, back, side, kahin bhi dekho, there is sea. That's it. Just as there is a road that comes from Rameshwaram and there is sea everywhere. Nothing else. यहाँ से थोड़ा सा आगे कहीं श्रीलंका भी होगा यार।
Actually है। मुझे अभी एयरटेल से मैसेज आया। It says, Ayu Bhuvan, welcome to Sri Lanka. Crazy. Actually, there's a spot right over there that people are saying is Sri Lanka, or at least somewhere in that direction.
20 किलोमीटर का राइड था, बट हमें लगा 1 घंटा because we were stopping, clicking pictures, making videos, what not. मजा आ गया।
This place is absolutely surreal, and I guess you would agree that if you're a rider, यहाँ पे आना बनता है।
अगर आप राइडर नहीं भी हो, you wanna drive here, you wanna come by a bus, but you come here once, एक बार तो आना बनता ही है।
It's a beautiful place. गर्मी है, ठीक है,
वो तो होती है, चलता है।
और खाने के लिए भी शायद ज़्यादा चीज़ नहीं है, बट द व्यू, यार, those are small compromises that you make, but this view is spectacular. Now it's time to head back to
अभी मज़े हो गए, Now it's time for the big challenge.
Yeah.
It's what's the time right now? It's 10:10, and by the time we leave from here, by the time we reach Rameshwaram, it will be 11. Then we have to have breakfast. So start करते करते 11:30 बज जाएगा. And Bangalore, including breaks from here, will be about 15 hours.
So I think 15 घंटे तो लगेंगे, भगाना पड़ेगा.
11 बजे
So-
स्टार्ट करोगे तो 11 से 11 2.
यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर रुकते हैं, फिर निकलते हैं वापस घर. Alright guys, that was Dhanushkodi. What an epic place. And now it's time to head back home. 650 kilometers from here to Bangalore. I'm sure you guys have liked this video till this point, but I can assure you that the roads going towards Bangalore are going to be spectacular as well. I just feel so bad leaving this place right now, but you got to do what you got to do. And I'm sure Aditya is also thinking about the wonderful ride we've had, our first ever longest ride from Bangalore, Pondicherry, Rameshwaram, Dhanushkodi, and now back to Bangalore in one stretch. I don't know how we are going to do that because I'm soaking wet, but yeah, the memories of this ride have been incredible.
This will be our longest ride ever.
Let's get started.
150 किलोमीटर से पहले तू अपनी गाड़ी का नंबर प्लेट ही उड़ा दिया.
वो है मेरा पुडुचेरी.
We are in Puducherry now.
That's right guys, we are at amazing man. See you next in Dhanushkodi.
my god, look at this. This looks absolutely gorgeous. The clouds right there and the sun peeping through the clouds. Man, this, I hadn't imagined that the roads while coming back to Bangalore will be so amazing and we'll get to see such amazing views. Those right there, the hills that you are seeing right there, seems like the Kodaikanal hills. I'm not sure though. Oh, by the way, Neil and I are discussing our next ride, and while I'm really interested in going to a hill somewhere, let's say a Kodaikanal or Munnar, Neil wants to go to the southernmost point of India, somewhere in Kanyakumari. So let us know down in the comments, where do you want us to go next?
What's up guys, quick update. We are on the way to Bangalore. Right now we are in...
We are at Salem, just cross Salem in fact.
Yeah, I just had dinner here. मैंने खाया, इसने खाया नहीं कुछ.
I guess I'm lemon juice.
Yeah, और कॉफ़ी पिया और मैंने एक बिरयानी खाया. और भी देखा मैप्स के अनुसार दिखा रहा है कि अभी भी 3 घंटा बाकी है.
Bangalore अभी it's about 183 kilometers. My house, his house is 192 kilometers.
Yeah.
So I will try to cover it in 2 stretches. एक लंबा के 300 kilometers, another 80 kilometers. और if you want to probably stop for one more coffee break.
बट यार बहुत पेन हो रहा है. कमर में दर्द, पीछे दर्द, आगे दर्द, सब जगह दर्द.
Thank God the weather is pleasant.
Yeah, weather is pleasant.
बारिश होती रही, कपड़े भीगते गए और फिर राइडिंग कपड़े सूखते भी गए. My shoes are still wet, socks are still wet, but yeah, we are riding. No point changing it now.
Okay guys, see you in Bangalore.
निकलते हैं.
Bye.
My body is hurting a lot, but I think I might have figured out a way to ignore the pain, and I'm just going flat out. I'm going as fast as I can. My complete focus is on my riding, and the moment I'm slowing down, I see that my body is starting to hurt again. So I think the only way I can win over this pain is if I just keep going fast and fast. What do you guys do when your body starts to hurt on long rides? Don't forget to leave a comment down below.
Guess where we are? We are in
Bangalore.
Bangalore. That's right. We've reached Bangalore. Aditya stays somewhere over here. I've never been to his place. I know him for the past 2 years. He's never invited me over. I stay some 10 kilometers from this place. But we were expected to be here by around 2:30 in the morning.
2:30, 3 o'clock.
But we managed to reach here by 1:30.
1:20 it is. What's the time right now?
1:20, 1:30, that's something like that. Epic ride. We're back.
Imagine what a ride it has been. It was humid, then it was hot, then it was raining, now it was cold.
Epic dude. Good
Everything
job,
was
good ride.
worth it.
If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to our channel.
Keep riding.